The Vitalstim waveform delivers great results in most patient scenarios. However, there are times when it may be beneficial to change some things. This is possible in VMS mode. Let's show you how. Our patient is connected to 3 electrode pairs. 2 of them are stimulating the oropharyngeal sling to facilitate muscle function during the oral phase of the swallow, and 1 of them is over the geniohyoid at the bottom to facilitate hyoid protraction. Let's first turn on the unit and then select VMS. The green buttons on the screen allow one to access custom protocols that have previously been saved. We will pick any one of these right now and then edit the settings inside there. The settings that can be edited are first of all the channel mode. 3 different modes can be selected. Co-contract as it is right now, at which point the current is going to be delivered in both channels at the same time. Reciprocal, at which point the electricity will flow first in 2 channels and then in the next 2. Or continuous. In continuous mode, the unit will just continue continuously in all channels simultaneously. In co-contract mode, the unit will deliver the current, as we said, simultaneously during the work time, and it will then pause during the rest time. Let's set this up for our patient. Since our patient is a little hypersensitive to the current, we are going to decrease the phase duration to 180 microseconds. We're going to set the work time to 3 seconds and the rest time to 20 seconds. Now that we are set up, let's press the back button, select the channels and increase the intensity in each of them as we have done before. Now when you watch the screen, you can see that the patient is about to start working as the rest cycle finishes and scrolls down to 0. As soon as the rest cycle hits 0 seconds, the work cycle will start. The therapist instructs the patient to start working and swallowing. That will go on during the stimulation time. Now let's show a variation on this approach. Let's go back to the home screen and again select VMS. Any protocol from there can be selected, and again let's select the gears icon. This will allow us to change the channel mode to reciprocal. In this mode, we can now introduce a sequence to the stimulation. The machine will first stimulate through the odd-numbered channels 1 and 3, and then through the even channels 2 and 4. Channels 1 and 3, my odd channels, are going to be on the oropharyngeal sling, so they will stimulate the contraction around the mouth. Then I will want for this patient channel 2 to join the contraction about 1 second later. All channels will finish at the same time. The idea here is to have the device deliver stimulation in a sequence such that it starts in the top channels and then the bottom channel. The therapist will instruct the patient to get ready, take a sip, squeeze hard, and swallow strong. We'll leave to set this up the ramp at 1 second, the work time in channels 1 and 3 to 4 seconds, and channels 2 and 4 to 3 seconds. So including the ramp of 1 second at the beginning and at the end, the work period for these channels is 6 seconds. We'll set the delay to -5 seconds so that the right sequence will execute. And this will conclude this next video tutorial.